السلام عليكم جمهور متابعي قناة عالم التكنولوجيا على اليوتيوب وصفحة عالم التكنولوجيا على الفيسبوك، ومعادنا النهاردة مع شابتر 10 to 14 براكتس فاينل من IT Essential من سيسكو. هنحله سوا. احنا قلنا ان ده 45 سؤال في 45 دقيقة. حلينا الفيديو اللي فات 21 سؤال، وعلشان الفيديو مع وقته ما يطولش علينا اكتر من كده فاضطرينا نقسم البراكتس فاينل على 2 فيديوز. دايما اقول لكم ما تنسوش تدعمونا بلايك وشير وسبسكرايب للقناه ولايك للفيديو ده، ونبتدي نشوف مع بعض الأسئلة. دايما أقول لكم عايزين أي مادة علمية تقدروا تتواصلوا معانا على www.فريق.com. تقدروا تتواصلوا مع فريق الدعم الفني للقناة في أي وقت وفي أي مادة وفي أي دورة تحبوا نشرحها أو أي برنامج تحبوا نشرحه. السؤال اللي بعده بيقول رقم 22: A technician is troubleshooting a Windows 10 computer that display an invalid boot disk error message. What should be the first action the technician should take to troubleshoot the issue؟ هتبقى change the boot order in the UEF boot setting to select the drive that has the operating system installed as the first boot device. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 23: A technician wants to split a large partition on a drive in a Windows 10 PC without loss of any data. How can this be accomplished؟ هتبقى shrink the existing partition and create a new partition from the unallocated space. السؤال اللي بعده مديني صورة وبيقول ايه: A network technician is troubleshooting a DHCP issue for a user and has requested assistance from a senior technician. The senior technician provides the graphics to illustrate the configuration option. What is the purpose of the alternate configuration feature? It allows an administrator to configure an alternative IP address for the PC to use if it's enabled to connect to a DHCP server. السؤال اللي بعده A user calls the help desk and reports that invalid system disk or invalid boot disk error message display on the workstation when it is powered on. When a technician comes to the office, the user mentioned that the workstation was working well the day before. The technician suspect that the MBR is corrupted. Which process can be the technician use to check and repair the MBR? Run the boot recommend. Run the boot recommend. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 26: A technician is visiting a website is using Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC. The technician tries to view the password for the website. The technician uses the credential manager to view the password but can't see. What could be used? Be the cause web credentials are not saved for sites accessed by browsers other than Explorer and Edge. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 27. When a user tries to run a program missing or corrupted message is displayed. What are two possible solutions to the problem? Run SFC scan now in safe mode, or register the DEL file using the register server 32 command. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 28. سؤال 29 بيقول a technical is troubleshooting a Windows 10 PC. The PC has an application that displays an error message about a missing DEL. The technician has located the DEL file on the PC and wants to register it. Which command line tool can be the technician use for the task? register SBR 32. السؤال اللي بعده after a computer is powered on Windows 7 fails to start the internal procedure, would a technician use to deal with the failure? هتبقى boot from a Windows 7 installation media and access the system restore utility. السؤال اللي بعده a technician is attempting to create multiple partitions on a hard disk that is using the boot sector standard that support a maximum partition size of 2 terabytes. What is the maximum number of primary partition allowed per hard drive? هتبقى 4. السؤال اللي بعده which statement is correct about installing a 32-bit operating system on a x64 architecture? The OS will run correctly. السؤال اللي بعده a user wishes to upgrade a PC to Windows 10 from a PC that is running a 32-bit version of Windows 7. Which two editions of Windows 10 will support this upgrade? Choose 64-bit version of Windows 10 Pro ولا 32-bit version of Windows 10 Pro. وعايز 2. السؤال اللي بعده which two Windows operating system can be upgraded to Windows 8.1 sorry 64 bit. choose 2 Windows 7 32 bit Windows XP 64 bit. sorry السؤال اللي بعده a network analyst is booting a PC that has Windows 8 installed. The boot process is currently working on the following steps. The BIOS boot the computer using the first drive that contain a valid boot sector. What is the next step that will happen in the boot process? The code in the boot sector is executed and the control of the boot process is given to Windows boot manager. السؤال اللي بعده A network administrator is tasked with employees of Windows 10 Pro for a large number of new PC in the company. The administrator uses a PC to perform a base installation together with a standard company application. The PC is tested to be fully functional. Which tool must the administrator use to remove all computer and user specific information before building a deployable image from the disk. Systemprep.exe. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 37. A technician has been asked to manager to recommend a security solution for protecting a computer against root kits. Which security technique should the technician recommended? Anti-malware. اللي بعده a user notes that a mobile drive is draining power faster than is normal. What are 3 causes of quick battery drain? Choose 3. An app is using too many resources. The device is roaming between cool towers. The display is set to a high level of brightness. السؤال اللي بعده What tool is included in the Mac OS X for backing up disks to image file to recovering disk image؟ هتبقى disk utility. سؤال رقم 40. drag and drop. سؤال 41. RW هتبقى permission associated with 600. Steve هتبقى permission associated with 544. drag and drop برضو. السؤال اللي بعده 42. What 2 tasks should be done regularly to preserve the security and integrity of data and application on mobile devices? Choose 2. Backup user data on a regular basis. We ensure that the operating system software and the application contain the latest update. السؤال اللي بعده Which 2 operation can help prevent a mobile device from being tracked without permission? Choose 2. Turn off the GPS when not in use. Disable or remove applications that allow connection to the GPS. سؤال 44 واللي قبل الأخير. What are 2 potential risks that could result from rooting or jailbreaking a mobile device? هتبقى enable application access to the root directory, not probably creating or maintaining sandboxing features. السؤال اللي بعده Which component uses the greatest amount of power on most mobile devices? هتبقى LCD screen. كده يبقى احنا حلينا 45 سؤال للIT Essential من البراكتس فاينل شابتر 10 to 14. ونشوفكم على خير في فيديو جديد مع الIT Essential من قناة عالم التكنولوجيا. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.